This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Vivo V50e is on the expected firmware and the Circle app is updated. This prevents mismatches. Once done, connect the V50e with USB-C or a stable 802.11 AC Wi-Fi link and keep it powered so it won't sleep during setup. Now open Circle and select the V50e from the device list. Enable search mode in the main menu so the instrument exposes its indexing engine. This gets you into the working state to run targeted searches. You now configure the search scope and filters to narrow results effectively. First, choose project, folder, or full device index depending on how broad you want the query. Smaller scope returns faster. Next, set filters like date range, tags, metadata fields, and raise confidence threshold to 0. 7 or higher to reduce false hits. Finally, tweak the circle radius and sampling increment. Smaller radius increases precision, while larger increments speed up scanning. These choices balance speed versus completeness. You're ready to run the search and interpret results. Hit run and watch the progress meter and live preview so you can stop early if you see the desired patterns. Once satisfied, select hits and export to CSV or JSON or generate a formatted report for sharing. If results seem sparse, broaden the date/tags or increase the circle radius. If the Circle app or V50e becomes unresponsive, restart the app and, if needed, power cycle the V50e before repeating the query.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.